Hi, welcome back to my channel. So what I have for you guys today is super lit, sis. This here is from Uniq, and I have two 18s and two 20s and then a 16th length closure. Sis, do you see this color? They're affordable bundles, okay? Affordable bundles, honey. So you cannot beat that. If you guys are anything like me, I am not the best colorist. Like, when it comes down to color, I could do it, but I'm not the best. So the fact that it's colored for you, sis. A lot of you guys in my last video were asking me how to do a quick weave and to like actually explain it a little bit more. So that's what we'll be doing today. For this method, you will need a dome cap like this and the Salon Pro Super Bond Glue. So without further ado, let's hop straight into it. So first things first, you'll see that the dome cap will have the two lines in the front. And with these two lines, this is where you're going to measure your closure. And you'll see that in a minute. When you put on the dome cap, make sure, like I said, that this part is in the middle, because that's where we're going to put our closure. And then also slide the cap back just a little bit. The closure is a... Oh. Do y'all see this hole? Girl, I could see through this. What in the world? It's okay, because we're not even going to use this, so it's fine. But this is how the closure look. And I'm going to let you guys see that. Hold on, wait. I'm going to let y'all see that one more time.
What? Sis! This feels so freaking good.
Like, sis, how the color look. Like, oh my goodness, I cannot wait to put this on. What we need to do is put a ponytail around the hair because we do not want it to get in the way. Now, I'm a little extra, so I did a ponytail and I used the clip. As you can see, we have this right here. Okay, let's talk. Let's have a real talk right now. Let's talk about it. Do not put the glue all the way up here. As you guys can see, it's kind of small, but you can see the difference. Because right here, this is where we're going to cut off and also do baby hairs. Make sure you put the glue, boop, right here, sis. Right here, okay? We're going to do one side. I did not fully do the entire thing. So we're going to do it all the way to... We could stretch this out a little bit more. Right there. So, here goes nothing. Yup. And make sure you get it all the way to the top. And when you're doing this, make sure that this part kind of goes over the dome cap. Because we're going to cut some pieces of the dome cap off as well. And you know what? If it's not in the middle, sis, it's okay. Because we could easily move it over. Once we feel like that is dry, we're going to do the other side. Oh, and there we go. Yes. Okay, so as you guys can see, I made a little mistake and I kind of went over. But it's okay because I am human and we make mistakes. So you people who always be ready to dislike my videos, look, be ready to dislike now because I messed up. You're going to dislike now? Are you going to dislike now? That's it, sis. The hard part is over. So we're going to move on to the bundle. The length that I'm starting with is the 20, since that is the longest. And this is how the bundles look. I am loving this already. As you can see, it's definitely like an ombre-ish because it's really like dark at the top. And then it's like a little hint of brownish and then gray. One thing I can say off the back is it's real staticky. But if you guys don't notice with color hair, you have to do a little bit extra to it. And this just needs some tender love and care, which we'll get to towards the end. So do not judge this process. It is staticky, yes, but we're going to fix that. It's going to be okay. Once we have the bundles unraveled, we're going to measure where we want to place it. What I usually do, I kind of feel for it and I will start around here. Right here is where I will put the first bundle. You can do the flip over method. I heard some people actually do that. I personally like mine's flat. So, and even if you can do it flat with the flip over method, for me it's easier to do it this way. So you could do either or. We're just going to cut that and then just put the glue on it. We're just going to place it right here, just like that. And then there we are, the first step to looking slay. Explain this one more time and I'm just fast forward the rest. You grab your piece, go to the back, measure, and the next part will be right here. You measure that, glue it, and we're good to go. And you continue to do that all the way till you get to the top. Now the top kind of get a little tricky, so once we get up there, sis, I'll help you guys out. But let's fast forward through all this nonsense. As you guys could see, that we are getting closer to the top. So what we're about to do is no different from what we've been doing, but you have to measure from right here to right here. Make sure you go all the way to the end, and then when you get to this part up here, don't go all the way to the lace, but stop at least right here, because you do not want the top to be humpy. You still want it to be flat, so make sure you put a track right underneath. Okay, because check me out. Do you see me? Like, I'm almost done. We are now at the top, but before I put any more tracks, I just want you guys to see. I don't know what's going on with these bundles, but sis, I haven't even used the 4th bundle. Like, this is all 3 bundles. And it's so thick, it's so luxurious, like this is crazy. But I am actually going to use the 4th bundle because for this unit, I really want it to be real, like boom, boom, pow. You know, like I want it to be out. But right now, we're just about to check and see if we laid the tracks properly. So let's check this out. Okay. What? Like I said, don't pay any attention to this right here because this will be cut. But like, this is everything. And then after we do this, we need to cut the underneath off so we can get that illusion of scalp. But first, let's get this in there and then we'll be right back. So now we're about to cut the middle part. As you guys can see right here, like I said, it's supposed to align with the closure. So we're just going to take this flap, just going to cut on the inside. And as you guys can see, I cut right here. So you're just going to cut the entire thing. Once you cut the inside, you will see that it is like this now. Say hello to your scalp. And I'm going in with the same foundation that I always use, the MAC NW45. So I think what I'm about to do is the side part. I love me a good side part. So if you're feeling me, sis, then please watch me work and continue watching. my freaking goodness. Like, do y'all see my hair? Like, is this a joke? Because this hair is everything. Okay, like I said, this is Uniq hair, and it is the Brazilian bundles. Like I said, I'm gonna make sure to have everything down here for you guys, so check the description box. It will be a link directly to this hair. I had asked my Instagram family if they wanted me to do my hair either like this or like this, and they obviously chose this one. So I am super glad that I did that, because this looks freaking awesome. I feel like I'm part of OMG girls right now, okay? Honey, who am I? And as far as tangles, I haven't received any tangles, no shedding, none of that. Like, this is just whoop. Only issue I had with this hair was the flyaways, but you could easily take care of that with the frizz buster. I use this for everything. So you could use this, or you could even use the mousse, and that will take care of it. But honey, you might as well wrap me up and call me a present, boo, because if you guys want to update, comment that down below too. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I love you guys. Thank you. Like I said, I'll be posting every Wednesday and Sunday, so keep them notifications popping. But thank you all for watching, and please continue to be the best you that you can be. Always strive for success, and I'll see you all.